That's impressive. I mean, both of y'all are very impressive with just like the trajectory of like taking what you had and then bringing that over into like making it boost you to where you are now, to be able to push yourself to work further and go further than before. And so just quick, are you in school, Taylor, or no?
I graduated my bachelor's in December.
Wow. Impressive. Yeah. Like, both of y'all are super impressive. I'm like over
That's
here
what
like,
I'm saying.
wow.
Like, to the audience, it's really so amazing. Like, using, especially maybe COVID is a blessing in disguise, because without it, I probably wouldn't have met Tadia online.
Yeah.
And so like, you normally don't find these people like all jam-packed in one community or like where you are or on your street. Like there's usually these like hidden gems like around the world. So it's just absolutely amazing to get a whole bunch of different like vibes from different cultures, different people. And I think it's the way to go.
Yeah, that's one of the beautiful things about the internet is it allows you to extend past your usual four walls that you're around, outside of the bubble that you're usually around, to where you can reach out to other people and be like, I'm interested in this thing. Are you interested in this thing? And it's like, oh, yes, I'm also interested in learning more about personal finance and about money. And then you find out there are people that you're probably like the oddball. Usually you're the oddball in like when you're around groups of friends. And then now it's like, I'm not so strange.
Right.
I'm not that different after all.
Guys, it's so true. When I started investing, like before it became mainstream, I did it in secret because I was like, oh my God, this is so weird that I'm interested in that. Like I went to the library, got books, and with my friends, I was really not talking about it. And I just want to say something else, like Kelechi, we met Kelechi in our podcast. If you want to hear Kelechi's story, in case you listen to his podcast, but you don't know him deeply. So Kelechi, he mentioned that he learned finances through he fucked up at some point. And what's weird is that me and Taylor, we didn't really fucked up. We learned gradually without having a major fuck up, if I'm not mistaken, Taylor. So what's weird is that how I learned to teach finances is like really talking to people and get to know them, like, and see what their experience is with saving and money. Because me, like, I have no clue how to tell someone to save money, because for me it comes naturally. So I have to learn with you guys.
Yeah, I mean that's why I like having other people on the podcast and showing different people different perspectives to view on, like, for me it's like I went through something to get to that point, and there's some people who just have it naturally, but they just need the step-by-step basic. I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the Rambling Mind podcast. If you want more of the Rambling Mind podcast, or if you want to listen to the whole episode that you just heard, go check it out on any podcast listening platform, whether that be Anchor, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Breaker, Stitcher. I could go on, but you guys already know which podcast you love to use to listen to. So go check it out. Link down in the description as well. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.